In this part, let us learn about if, elif and else. Python condition and if statements. Python supports the usual logical conditions from mathematics. Equals A is equal to B, not equals A is not equal to B, less than A is less than B, less than or equal to A less than or equal to B, greater than A is greater than B, greater than or equal to A is greater than or equal to B. These conditions can be used to several ways, most commonly in if statements and loops. And an if statement is written by using the if keyword. Example, A is equal to 33, B is equal to 200. Now here B is greater than A, B is greater than A. The result is B is greater than A. In this example, we use two variables A and B, which are used as a part of if statement to test whether B is greater than A. As A is 33 and B is 200, we know that 200 is greater than 33, and so we print to screen that B is greater than A. Indentations. Python relies on indentations, white space at the beginning of a line. To define scope in the code, other programming languages often use curly brackets for this purpose. If statements without indentation will raise an error. See here, there is no space in front of if. So, the result raised an error. You will get an error. Elif. The elif keyword is Python's way of saying if the previous conditions were not true, then try this condition. See here, A is equal to B, B is equal to 26. If B is greater than A, elif A is equal to B, print A and B are equal. See the result, A and B are equal. In this example, A is equal to B, so the first condition is not true, but the elif condition is true, so we print to screen that A and B are equal. Else. The else keyword catches anything which is not caught by the preceding conditions. A is equal to 80, B is equal to 26. If A greater than B, print B is greater than A. Elif A is equal to B, print A and B are equal, else print A is greater than B. See here, we are using else. So, the result is A is greater than B. In this example, A is greater than B, so the first condition is not true. Also, the elif condition is not true. So, we go to the else condition and print to screen that A is greater than B. You can also have an else without the elif. See here, without elif we are given the else. B is not greater than A. Shorthand if. If you have only one statement to execute, you can put it on the same line if the f as the if statement. One line if statement. See here, A is equal to 80, B is equal to 26. We are given in one line. A is greater than B. See here. Shorthand if or else. If you have only one statement to execute, one for if and one for else, you can put it all on the same line. See here, we have put if and else in the same line. So, result is B. This technique is known as ternary operators or conditional expressions. You can also have multiple else statements on the same line. One line if else statement with three conditions. See here, we are using twice else print, else print. See here, is equal. Result is this one. And the and keyword is a logical operator and is used to combine conditional statements. Test if A, for example, test if A is greater than B and if C is greater than A. So, here we are using and statement. See here, both conditions are true. Or. The or keyword is a logical operator and is used to combine conditional statements. See here, test if A is greater than B or if A is greater than C. See here, A, B, C. See, at least one of the conditions is true. At least one of the conditions is true, it's printed. Nested if. You can have if statements inside if statements This is called nested if statements. For example, see here we are using if statements. See here x greater than 10. See here the result is above 10 and also above 20. The pass statement. If statements cannot be empty, but if you for some reason have an if statement with no content, put in the pass statement to avoid getting an error. Example 33-200. Having an empty if statement like this would raise an error without the pass statement. See here the result is nothing, it is showing nothing. Okay friends, this is the end of part 16 if, elif and else. In next video, let us learn about another topic, while loops. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.